guys, okay, so I'm going to show you in this video how to do a starting loop when you're doing crochet patterns. So a lot of the time you might see right off the bat from a pattern, chain whatever amount, but you don't really know how to start that off if you're brand new to crochet. So I thought I would get right down to the basics with some of my stitch tutorial videos and show how to do a starting loop. So you might hear it referred to as a starting loop or a slip knot, same thing. So the way that I do it is I just take the yarn, wrap it around your finger, and drape it over itself. So you're kind of just loosely wrap it around and let it cross over. You're gonna pick up this little piece that's running underneath, and the part that's over it, just push a little bit of it through the loop there. Then you're going to pick up your working yarn while securing the tail piece here and just give it a tug to tighten it. Then you're just going to put your hook in there and pull it one more time to secure it to your hook. And that's it. That's how you do a starting loop.